This is the very important the detection test, that is by using of lasing test, and by the use of lasing test we can actually detect many substances. So here we are going to detect the nitrogen. So the first step is to prepare the lasing extract. You can also call the lasing extract as the sodium extract. So the first thing is that we need to prepare the sodium extract. So just look at the board how we do it. We take a fusion tube. Right, so this is my fusion tube. We take a piece of sodium in it. We just heat a little so that this sodium actually melts. So let's say this sodium is melted. Now we add organic compound to it. Right, the organic compound quantity should be low, which you add. So we add it and we again heat it. We heat it strongly actually, we heat it till red hot, right. And when it is heated till red hot, then what we do, we stop heating. We take a china dish in which take distilled water and we actually break this fusion tube into this distilled water. So let's say that this is this fusion tube being breaked in it. Then after that what we do is we again boil the mixture and then followed by the filtration, and the filtrate what you get after is actually called as sodium extract. Right, again what we did, we took a fusion tube in which I took a sodium piece. Then I heat it so that it gets melted. The heating is required only till the time it melts. Then after that we add a pinch, or you can say a pinch of organic compound, little more than the pinch, and then you just start heating it. We heat it till the red hot. Then this fusion tube becomes red hot, we stop heating, we take a china dish in which there is a distilled water, we break this tube in it, right. So it will contain all the substances which are present along with the pieces of this fusion tube. Then we just boil it and then we just filter it, and the filtrate what we get after that is something called as the lasing extract or the sodium extract. You can call it by another name. So now we are going to use the sodium extract in order to, you can say, detect the nitrogen. So here what actually the sodium extract contain, sodium extract what, sodium and plus the organic compounds. So it is basically sodium cyanide. This is what is there in the filtrate. So now in order to just detect the nitrogen, what we do is we take another tube in which we have NaCN. Now I am going to add, it is actually made alkaline by adding NaOH followed by the addition of FeSO4, and we then again boil it. We add NaOH, then we add FeSO4 and then we boil it. The reason behind addition of NaOH is to make the solution alkaline, and the FeSO4 is next added actually, and then it is actually boiled. And you know that what happens in it when it is boiled, NaOH react with FeSO4 giving rise to Na2SO4 plus FeOH whole twice. Now this ferric hydroxide which is formed is going to react with this NaCN, right, and what as a result it will form? It will form sodium ferrocyanide. This is what is actually formed, and along with that we get NaOH. Then sometimes if required we add FeCl3 also to it. Then this sodium ferrocyanide is going to react with FeCl3 forming ferric ferrocyanide, that is Fe4 FeCN whole 6 thrice plus NaCl. You know that this formation of this ferric ferrocyanide is indicated by the formation of Persian blue color, and this actually appearance of this color actually confirms that the given organic compound contained the nitrogen. So this is how you are going to perform the test, or you can say you are going to detect nitrogen qualitatively by using the lasing extract.